Good evening, all of you. How are you? You have to listen very carefully. I'll speak easy sentence, okay? So that you may easily translate English to Hindi. Or no need to translate. You just understand the concept. You just understand what is being spoken by me. Understand? You have to understand and try to speak like that. Your today's topic is education. Whenever you start any topic, then first and foremost you have to introduce yourself. Okay? Good evening, all of you. Or it's a wonderful good evening to all of you. This is HR Pushpa in front of you. Today I am very happy to be invited on this stage. I am going to speak the topic. The topic is education. Friends, if you know the meaning of education, then you explain. Otherwise, don't try to explain. The meaning of education, getting knowledge in common way, to educate somebody or to educate ourselves. Okay, there are many sources of educating ourselves, educating the people. We not only educate ourselves by books, by schools, by coaching classes, but every accident or incident of life teach us something. Okay, so you have spoken many things on this topic. This topic is really valuable to our life. Depend on education. Our life depend on your education, what kinds of education you get and what kinds of education you have. Remarkable point of your speech that first she said that education is only the thing that has no side effect. Everything has a side effect, but education has no side effect. Always education have a positive sides. Okay, and there is no limit of education. The more you get, the more you curious. The more you get, the more curious you become to get more education. Okay, then you all have spoken something or the other about the education. Really, education gives you opportunity. Education gives you vision. Education gives you a type of a sight, okay, a type of a visibility to see your future. Okay, without education life is in darkness, but after the education you have a possibility to become or to make your life brighten. Okay, that is why education plays very important role. Okay, I know that the people think that the bookish knowledge is only education, but not bookish knowledge, but also the thing is happening around you, you are observing, you are learning from them, is also the education. That's why educate yourself every time and always take a good steps, learn from the past mistakes for better tomorrow. That is also the part of education. Okay, that somebody told, if you implement all the things on yourself, that your life will be shortened, आपके लिए जीवन छोटा हो जाएगा. That's why that learn from the others mistakes and always adopt the good things in life. Okay, that is the education. Or Dr. Ambedkar said education is the milk of lineage, the more you drink the more you roar. That's why always learn something. There is no limit of learning. Somebody told that live like that tomorrow is ending and learn as that never is ending. लाइफ इज़ नेवर एंडिंग. मतलब उन्होंने कहा है लोगों ने कि जियो ऐसे जैसे कल ही हो अंत और सीखो ऐसे जैसे जीवन हो अनंत. तो यू शुड नॉट थिंक दैट टुमारो विल बी एंडिंग. आई कांट लिव लॉन्ग ऑन दिस प्लैनेट, सो व्हाई शुड आई लर्न? नो, इट्स नॉट ट्रू. Till the last breath we should learn something or the other. That's the education. That education plays very important role in life. Okay, now let me explain something more about the education. So ultimately I said that education is the master key which opens the door of happiness. That's why each and everyone should have the proper education, at least the compulsory education. Education give you a vision to find your path of the future. Okay, if for example, if you have the education of medical, you will choose medical field. If you have the education of commerce field, you will choose the field of finance. If you have the knowledge of history or social science or other, you can choose civil service. So that's why that education give you a direction, give you a understanding, give you a sense to choose your future journey. That's why education necessary. By the way, there is many thing to speak on education, but I don't want to speak more. Okay.